Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Cappuccino Smart Espresso machine. Now for this machine we had to replace the water pump, this one that you see right here. As you can see, this is from 2016, so it's been working for quite a while in there. These machines do require a healthy pump in order to provide good flow going through the entire system. There's a mechanical valve right here that we also had to replace on the machine. This water pump was not pushing water through the mechanical valve, and once we got a newer one, the newer one was struggling, so we knew that the mechanical valve was getting clogged up and needed to be replaced. So we did that. We replaced the mechanical valve located right here. If you remove the side panels of the machine, the back panel of the machine as well, you will have access to this little top panel where you can remove 4 screws all around it, and then you can slide this thing up. Once you slide this thing up, you will see the whole frontal display, which should look similar like this. This is basically a display that we fixed for another machine. You have to remove that. Once you remove that, you remove the spout as well, and then you have access to the mechanical valve. So it's a very, very labor-intense procedure for this machine, as you really need to get very deep in the machine in order to replace that. So starting with 1 shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this machine out. We already put some coffee beans inside, and we can now start brewing. We're also going to be using the hot water. We will not be able to use any of the cappuccino, macchiato, latte, or any of the drinks that require milk, as we do not have the machines carafe of, and we will not be able to do any of those drinks. We will still be able to test this side as we have the hot water one, and we can see water flows through there. If water flows through there, that means steam will flow through there as well. Great flow, and 1 ounce, exactly how they program it. Good shot of espresso. We were grinding on the 5th setting using our test coffee. So you can get way more crema than this if you grind at the 3rd setting instead of the 5th. Now we're going to be using the hot water. Like I said, we will not be able to do any drinks, but we can still test this side of the machine. And as you can see, it has a nice steady stream, good flow coming out of the machine. Working great. So there you have it. The DeLonghi Magnifica Cappuccino Smart working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching. Also, if you're wondering why these little things pop out, is because we do not have water on the tank. As you can see right here, that floater is below the water level that is supposed to be. So the machine will say there's no water in there. Thanks for watching.